What if your dog could explore space? With a special collar, anything is possible. He zooms past twinkling stars and discovers mysterious planets. But wait, what hides on this planet? Out come the star fairies. They have a secret mission for him. He must save their home from darkness. But how can a dog defeat darkness? With friendship and courage, they journey to the dark star, where they face a powerful foe. But our brave dog has a trick. He unleashes a burst of magic. The darkness fades away. The planet is safe again, and our hero returns with new friends. Now, every night is a new adventure. What adventures await you? Join us